Yo,
Brotherly love.
Fuma told her she got to fight back.
The guy like that over there. Grab my foot, it got my face, and I'm like,
Whoa. You gonna grab her what? Her pussy? Uh-oh.
Dumb bitch.
She sound like Trump.
I want you guys to look at the different textures of life.
Yo, Fuma.
Hey, Fuma,
Look at the different textures of life that are in this building right now. Like, we're outside.
can you ask the Trump supporters something?
No, right here. You can't make this up.
Hey, Fuma, can you...
Stop.
This nugget.
Why this nigga don't got the damn earpiece? The fuck?